G'day everyone, it's Curtis here and welcome to an On The Back Wheel video. Today I'm going to install these here quad lock mounts onto my KLR 650. Now, I've never used these before, so we're all going to learn together. But what I've done is, I've got a new phone, so I've got a Pixel 6 case, a mirror mount. I believe this mount should fit perfectly on the GPS bar on the KLR 650. We'll have a look in a second. And also the vibration dampener for your phone. Now I'm going to use my phone as a GPS and just so I can change music and take phone calls and that while I'm riding. And apparently they really recommend the vibration dampener because these new phones with their fancy cameras, basically bikes are shaping the cameras to death and destroying your cameras. And since I just bought the phone, I don't want to really pay for a new one, so I got it just in case, and they definitely recommend it. This is where I'm planning to install the mount, so I'll bring my phone over. This is a new case, by the way. It's a really good case. I'm very happy with it. It's very sturdy, especially for someone like me who's very rough on the gear. It's great. I'm going to install it this way, but you know, you will also have the option to mount it in portrait mode, but it's very tight. Like, look at that. I don't think it probably won't even fit unless you change the angle to down here. In any case, these mounts, I'll bring it over. These mounts aren't permanent. You just tighten them on and loosen them if you want to take them off. So if you want the option, you could put it on a mirror here, or you could just get one to go on your bars as well. The reason I got a quad lock is because they're supposed to be really good, and also my KTM Super Duke already came with one, and my new Pixel, they are compatible with them, so I thought why not try them, and they had a like 30% off Boxing Day sale or something, so I jumped on it and grabbed one. All right, let's all learn together and unpack these boxes and install it. Okay, I've already opened up the phone case. Ignore the pen on that. My nephew decided it was a really good colouring in opportunity. Fair enough, I'll pay that. This is the case for the Pixel. You can see it's really solid. It's got like a foam backing. It's very strong and kind of thick. And this is the actual quad lock here where it locks onto. So we'll just pop that in. A nice new Pixel, man. Very happy with that. Takes good photos for motorbike stuff. All right, so that's that there, rock solid. And we'll open this up. I got the scooter motorcycle mirror mount. Apparently it's the right diameter for that GPS bar. This is the first time I've ever installed one of these or opened one, so bear with me. Oh, we got some stickers. Oh, there you go. Throw them in the bin. So, okay, this is how it tightens by the looks of it. And this is the backing, so that'll be how it's tightens on, and this is the actual quad lock that clips into there. So it also comes with a little Allen key, which would be handy, and this is for your slightly different width bars. So we are going to see which width we need and test it out. Having a look at the install instructions, it looks pretty simple. Basically, we put a ring around the bar, then we tighten it onto the bar, screw on the actual quad lock, and then it's done. So this should be really easy to do. It's got different size things it comes with, 10, 12, 14, 16 mil. So I'm gonna see what size I need to fit onto this here GPS bar. Straight away, I think it's gonna be the 14 mil, just having a look at it. So we'll slide that on. Okay, that's fit on pretty easily. This just goes on the back there. Yeah, that's pretty easy. And these tighten on there like so. Wow, this is very easy so far. Let's grab this Allen key they gave me. Might as well use it, hey? They gave it to me. Very nice of them, isn't it? Give that a little tighten so it latches on. Okay, I'm just going to check it's in the center and then it's where I want it before I tighten it up too much. Still got a bit of movement here. That's pretty good. I might move it over a tiny bit. For those people that are proper OCD, you might want to get your tape measure out, just double check exactly where it is to see if it's square. I'm very happy with that at the moment. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I've tightened this up, not too tight. It's definitely not going anywhere. This thing is rock solid. And now we have to install this here vibration dampener. I had a look at the one on the other bike. It looks really easy to do if I can get it out. I'm doing this one hand, people, give me a break. So we just need this, which I presume just comes out of there. Comes with an Allen key as well. Okay, this looks really easy to install. Basically, just use the supplied Allen key, jam it all the way down there, and twist on that little Allen key bolt. Looks like they got a little bit of Loctite on there already. That's cool. Okay, how do I want it? I don't really know. Maybe just like that. can always move it around. I've never installed one before. That's already on. Yeah, that's already on. That's it. So you can see this kind of just cushions the blow, I suppose, a bit. It's pretty trick, actually. Okay, and this is exactly the same. You just put that through there and tighten it like that. I'm gonna put it like that, I think, because that's how I feel comfortable using it. Is it square, everyone? Yeah, it's square. Look at that. Oh, oh, oh. Now we need our phone with our quad lock case, and we need to chuck it on. Looks like, oh, I don't think clearance is going to be right there. Okay, it's a little bit tight, but I think I figured it out. So basically, you got to twist it on. Well, it's not actually tight at all once you get the hang of it, and that's it. That's how you install it. Rock solid. Absolutely rock solid. A little bit wobble with that vibration mount. Hopefully it's not too bad when it's riding. And to remove, you press the button on the back and twist it and it comes off. I don't believe there's going to be enough room at the top here to have it in portrait mode. We'll try though. Let's try that now. There's just enough room, so if you do want to have it in portrait mode, here's your clearance. It's actually not touching even with pressing that down. There's a bit of clearance, so that will work if you've got a bigger phone like this Pixel 6. If you had an even bigger phone, yeah, I don't think it's going to fit, to be honest. You're going to have to go with a handlebar mount or even chuck it on the mirror here, but putting it in a mirror is just really weird for me. I don't like that at all. So there we have it all installed. The only thing so far that I don't really like and I have to play with is the button on the back will come around. You can see I've put it on that side. It's a bit awkward to get to. It's kind of nitpicky because I'm still going to easily even with one hand, but maybe I'll look at making the button go down here, and that should still leave the speedo and everything clear. Like if I get back here, let's say this is about my riding position up here. Yeah, if that's down, it should be stopping about there. It should be fine for speedometer visibility still, but I'll try that around. And this thing's rock solid. That is not going anywhere. Pretty trick. I'm going to see how it goes over the next few weeks and see if I like it in this mode or I want to change it to landscape or something. But you know, I think it looks fantastic kind of there. It looks pretty trick, and this phone's really good to use, very quick to use. If you want to put a GPS there as well, I don't think you'd have any issues at all. I know the quad locks, you can get like a separate quad lock so you can install it on there and you won't have any issues at all. I don't know about cases, but the actual quad lock itself, you can just get one of those and stick it on the back and you got one on there. But that's it from me. Very quick, easy one today. If you're thinking about getting one of these, they fit really well on the GPS mount here, so you're gonna have no issues at all. If you've got a really big phone, maybe in portrait mode, it's gonna get tricky. So what you could do is maybe just put a GPS up here. If you wanna put your phone on still, you can put it down on the handlebar, somewhere like here. Up to you, completely up to you, but I'm really happy with it so far, and we'll see how it goes. All right, that's it from everyone. If you like what I'm doing, hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you check out my other KLR 650 content and keep it on the back wheel. Catches.